Salesforce DX CLI command. So here we will be learning the CLI commands for Salesforce DX. So we will be opening the terminal. We will clear everything if needed. And here we will be just checking some of the commands. So for that, we have to understand the structure first. So the agenda is to learn the SFDX command structure. So if you see, there is command, then there is a flag, and then there is argument. So command is the action you want the tool to take. Here we want to create a project. Then the flag values that trigger process. For example, we want to create a new project. So we have to write an argument which process to invoke. Here we will be putting the project name. So like that it is being structured. So now we will be quickly opening the chapter. Set up Salesforce DX for Scratch orgs, Salesforce DX CLI commands. So once we open this, we will be seeing that we can take the help of all the commands which we have. So let's run the first one, sfdx4 source help. So once we run this command, we will be able to see all the commands like convert source into metadata API format, delete source from your project, and non-source trapped dogs. Deploy, you can open an org, you can pull, you can push, you can retrieve source from an org, you can check the status. So these are the things which you can check. Now let's take an example. So for instance, you want to see the list of orgs. So for that you will say sfdx force org list. So you are able to see that okay, there is an org with alias name this, username this, org ID is this, and then there is a scratch org being created, and it is giving the expiration date for this. So this is the information it list. Now for example, I want to open the org. So right now I'm connecting to the scratch org. So if I do sfdx force org open and hit enter, then I will be able to successfully open that org. You can see that I'm able to open. So now this is being opened. Now if, for example, I want to open the other one, so I'll say U and SFDC amplified from scratch and hit enter. So now I will be able to open. So now why I had to give that name U? So what it was doing, let's go back. So see, in the earlier one, firstly I just said sfdx org open because already sfdx scratch was there. But once we do sfdx org open sfdx amplified scratch, we don't know the parameters it needs, right? So why I write U? For this you do help, and with the help it will give you all the parameters. So see, it will say that what is sfdx open. So it says okay, that it is used to open a specified page, specify the portion of the URL after the instance. Now it gives an example that see, if you say open and then you give the name, so that's how you are able to open it. So that U is nothing but the flag, and after that you are putting the argument that okay, I want to open this org. So this is how you are able to write a statement, and whenever you are not clear, you will simply say help to help and able to do it. Now for instance, I want to see the limit for that org, so let's go back. So now we want to see that what are the limits. So I will simply say that okay, SFDX force limit display, and see, now for the scratch org, it is giving all the limits. Okay, what is remaining, what is maximum, all of them are being given. For example, hourly async report runs, remaining is 1200, limit is 1200. So like that, because we have not just created, so we have not used anything, but it will be giving you the whole details. So we have done org list, we have done org open. Now let's create a lightning component. So for that, what we'll do is, let's copy this command. And once we see SFDX force lightning component create. And why we are seeing help? Because we don't know what parameters are needed. So we click enter. So once we click enter, we are able to see that okay, it is giving all the parameters. Firstly, it will be giving you the explanation that what is the usage of it. Then it will say, okay, the output directory, folder for saving this file, the name, okay, so name of the generated lightning component, template, okay, I want this default lightning component, the API version, the JSON, and the log level. So all of them it will be giving, and that's how all the flags are there, and that's how we have to use. So we'll go here and see. So if you see here I have used type LWC, and then I have said that okay, I want first LWC by saying that the name of the generated lightning component, and then I choose the directory and I just copy it. So if you see here, let's go to the Apex LWC, seeing that if there is something else right now. So right now we don't see anything else in the LWC. Now once I run this command, let's see what happens. So you see that Apex, so you see that LWC is being created. So here is the first LWC with LWC HTML, JS, and everything is being created. Because I said that okay, in the LWC I want to create this. So that's how we can create. Now, if, for example, again you want to know for the Apex class. Again, what you will do? Again, you come here and you say okay, I want to create an Apex class, but I don't know the parameters, I don't know the flag which has to be used. No problem, go back, go here and do the help section and click enter, and again you will be getting all the parameters. So if you go back, you will be seeing all the parameters like okay, the new n it's required, it's the class name, then the t that is template, okay, I want the default Apex class template, then the location, okay, output directory where it will be located, so it will be in the default inside the class. So I'll just copy it and then run it. So if I do that, so if I go to the classes, right now we have just a hello world. Now the name is first Apex. Now if I run it, first Apex should be getting created. Okay, let me go and change it. It is, so if you see the whatever error is coming, the term FTX is not recognized. So it's very clear what you are missing. So just put that and click enter, and this class is being created. So that is the way you are able to write different commands, CLI commands, and you are able to successfully run it.